Alright, this is 3201 78th Street North in St. Pete. And I have got the camera run from the clean out near the pool deck 82 feet in to where the back bathroom is. And I'm going to record a video to show that we removed all of the, there was a bunch of cast iron scale debris in here when we first came. So we have since used our jet machine to get everything cleaned out. The line's going to change to PVC. You'll be able to see how clean it is now. There's a little bit of staining on the side of the pipe, but it's not a big deal. What we're looking for is any kind of debris. So we cleaned the lines all the way through the kitchen to the back bathroom. And then there's also a combo in here where we were able to go up to the right and clean the lines that run underneath the master bathroom. So all the lines are now clean and looks really good. I don't see anything cracked. I don't see anything broken. Just went through a couple of 45s. There's our combo that comes from the master bathroom right there. And what I'm going to do is go flush a toilet so we can check the flow. I'm just going to let the video keep recording. So I flushed it once and then I let it fill up and flushed it again. You can see a little bit of water still flowing. It's flowing really good here at the clean out. Looking good. Pipe's super clean. Almost looks like it's brand new again. And we're back at the clean out. Everything looks beautiful.